Breakfast option. Lunch suggestion. Dinner idea. Snack alternatives. Conclusion and tips. Hey, everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the best meal plan to lose fat faster. If you've been struggling with weight loss, this meal plan might just be what you need. Let's dive in. Breakfast option. For breakfast, consider a nutrient-dense smoothie with spinach, berries, and a scoop of protein powder to kickstart your day with a healthy dose of vitamins and minerals. Lunch suggestion. At lunch, opt for a lean protein source like grilled chicken or tofu, paired with a generous serving of leafy greens and quinoa for sustained energy throughout the day. Dinner idea. For dinner, aim for a well-rounded meal that includes a portion of fatty fish like salmon, along with roasted vegetables and a small serving of sweet potatoes for complex carbs. Snack alternatives. If you find yourself hungry between meals, reach for snacks like Greek yogurt, almonds, or a piece of fruit to keep your metabolism fired up without consuming excess calories. Conclusion and tips. Remember, consistency is key. Pair this meal plan with regular exercise and stay hydrated throughout the day. Adjust portion sizes according to your specific caloric needs and consult a nutritionist for personalized guidance. Don't forget: like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.